Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is that time of month for some try treats. Check them out. Link is going to be down below, trytreats.com. And in case I do have a promo code, it's going to be listed down below. You guys get 10% off your box, and every month get some international snacks delivered to your door. All places around the world. Some places I traveled to when I was younger, some places I never been and wouldn't mind checking out, but right now this would be a good way to try their treats. Every month you get some goodies delivered, so we shall see what they sent us. Oh boy, here we go. This is coming from, oh boy, where is it? Bajo, Philippines. Ooh, look at that place. That looks pretty cool. Here's a little brief description. 7,000 islands, dang. That looks pretty peaceful out there. And we got this little exploring Philippines. Nice. There's their like signature dishes, I believe. You guys could try and make at home. And here's the recipe of the month. So now we got some snacks to look at. We got a long list. They tell you what they are, so that's always a good thing. And then mystery box giveaway. You guys can win one and save some money. Alrighty, we have Picatos Roadhouse Barbecue. Whoa, this might be some chronic stuff. Awesome. And now we have mango balls. I like mangoes. That's an interesting name. Filipino brand. I think these are kind of soft. Dried mango balls has a natural goodness, holy balls. Shout out to Mean Gene, rest in peace. True taste of mango. Alright. Mangoes are good for you. And now we have here sweet corn. Alabama. Golden sweet corn. Oh boy. I like the cheese balls. Yeah, see, they're little balls. Oh boy, sweet corn. Sweet corn, sweet corn. Awesome stuff. Alright, alright. What we got here? Boy, bawang cornic. Added or adobo flavor. Bigger, tastier, crunchier. They look like hazelnut kind of. Kind of looks like Mario in a like science. What are those funnels, whatever they're called in science lab? I forget. There we go. Boy Pino by Pino. Boy bawang. A lot of them in here, so that should be interesting. Oh yeah, we got the Cheetos, the cheese ringas, Regent cheese snack flavored. Whoa, Mega Man. Pretty cool artwork. We don't get this many cool designs out here in the U.S. except for like Doritos and stuff. Chester Cheeto, he's a cool dude. Uh-oh. They must love their mangoes out there. We got some more Philippine brand dried mangoes. Gluten free. Alright. Dried. So soft. Soft and chewy. And now we have ubi. Some kind of cake specialty. Flavored sponge cake. Alright. Something different. And now we have here Moco sandwich, Hansel, cream-filled biscuits. Ooh, that might be good. A nice stack of them. And we got some more. Like I said, every month you guys could get this delivered. So it could be U.S., could be international. You never know. It's a mystery. Sky Flakes crackers. Alright. My son. Boom. And now we got a bunch of these little guys. Kind of like Zots. Honey lemon. Menthol candy. And that's about it. So like I said, they gave you tons. And this is all you gotta do is click on the link down below and you get a nice selection of munchies delivered from different parts of the world. So that's all we got. A few extras in there. So alright, YouTubers, check them out. TryTreats.com. All in the description down below. You guys be safe, have a good one, and see you soon.